So this is our second day. Today we are heading to the beach and then Char! Kapag English, oy! Padalo na bigla na yung beach. Tapos, among i-check ako ang sunrise. Kung sa color niya. Blue ba siya or orange? Wow. Politik ka. Very natural. Natural disaster. Tato i-discover ang place sa Balcao. Sa house ni Madam. Ni Madam Octa. Wow. So, this is the way we walk our feet. Much better here or in the other side?
I mean, the other side. Above this.
Okay. This place is like never been touched. Ana. Kapag never been touched. Fuck English. Uy.
And we are
Like what?
luckily they have sea.
Yeah. Look, uy, kanina gusto uy. Oh my gosh! I can see the sea. I can see the sea now. Look. It's all white. I mean, atay. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, I forgot to bring my camera. Yeah. Oh my god, my feet. Oh. Look.
What?
Oh my gosh, Devin. I can feel something, you know. There's a
Yeah, like-
frog.
No,
But there's
not a
but there's no
frog.
snake here, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, every day. And then you know that grandpa,
Mm-hmm.
she every time come fish here.
Oh really?
They don't have any food.
Okay, you first. Go. Make sure there's no crocodile here. Crocodile hiding. Are you sure?
Yeah. There's crocodile.
Eh. Oh. How long does it take to go down?
Where am I going?
Are we lost? You first, go. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. Ouch.
Okay. Maybe we should wait for them.
Yeah.
They think it's a horse, so I have to. There's like a big snake. Crawling around the grass. Man, first.
You first.
I
Oh.
don't.
The younger first.
Not the-
Second,
You guys scared.
Go first and then we'll see each other there. Yeah. Are you lost, baby boy?
Bye guys, according to them.
Wait.
Oh my gosh. Be careful.
Ay, kinundag ko.
Oh yeah. Oh,
Are you sure about this, Devin?
yeah.
Okay, almost there. Huwag na pala kayo kakaano, mag-ayay, good i-reg. Wow, na. Basin later. Hala! Welcome guys to Balyangaw.
This is Shishu.
No, we have this in the Philippines. Like a place called Balyangaw. Grabe ka tinaw, oy! Oy, shalan. Wow, photographer number 1. Lama daw, Bing. Ano ka dako?
Kaya na kadakot siya.
Ay, amas na.
Dugo lagi ni ay. Ni.
Ay, wala na. Sira na. Oh.
That's a secret.
Ah,
Which one?
dili nga nang pag-touch.
Ang
Rest in peace.
kanang
I-ash nga ako ang mamigahi.
kanang
Why? Oh! Arots! Ano naman ako sang?
My
Uy,
God.
lolo
Man,
na.
be careful. He will bite you.
Lolo ni mo na. Kaya ang lola kay kuan man pagi.
Hala, sorry!
Hey,
Shit!
hey!
Hala, wala, attendance na siya.
Eh si Mr. Krabs.
Oh, the sunrise.
Wow.
Oh, grabe, oh.
Always with you. Always with you. Welcome to the Cock Resort. Cut.
Devin, careful! Bongbong Marcos is there. Photographer number 2 is working on it.
Kasi magbuoting mo diri-diri ra ka mag-camping,
Gana.
right?
Kung paning karis, naning kakaris ay. Oh, here? Okay. I think I've lost already. Look! Got ka? Got ba ka? Ay, snub kay mo ay. We're heading home now. So you fucking show. Pero worth it. Worth it by Mix. Oh, sila ba kakanta na? Oh, look! Look, oy! Lalo nag-print up dari, oy! Ayusa sa lugar, oy. Yatot. Ha? Wow, no, nangandam. So natay sa Kabukaw, ba nga nangandam na siya, di na siya mag-print up. Ano ako 6 hours pang biyahiyon. Fuck si Sok. So we're here now. Sa mga lugar. Sa mga gifoyan. O sa ikatulgan. Mag-fix sa Sok niya. Mag-guns ako, mag-dress up sa ako para wawaw ang show din. Mag-fishing mo daw mi later. Laban lang. La, wow!